How to change YouTube channel art on PC. Updating your YouTube channel art is a great way to refresh the look of your channel and make it more appealing to viewers. Here's a simple guide to help you change your YouTube channel art on PC. Start by opening your web browser and going to the YouTube website. Make sure you're logged into your YouTube account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Your Channel from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your channel's main page. Once you're on your channel page, click on the Customize Channel button. This will open the YouTube Studio's Channel Customization section. In the Channel Customization section, go to the Branding tab. Here you will see options for updating your channel's profile picture, banner image, and video watermark. To change your channel art, click on the Upload button under the Banner Image section. This will prompt you to select an image file from your PC. Choose the image you want to use as your new channel art and click Open. YouTube will automatically crop and adjust the image to fit the various screen sizes. You can use the preview to ensure that your channel art looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. If you need to make adjustments, click on the Adjust the Crop button. Here, you can reposition and resize the image to ensure that it displays correctly across different devices. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click Done to apply the changes. Finally, click Publish in the upper right corner of the YouTube Studio to save and apply your new channel art. Your updated banner will now be visible on your channel's page. By following these steps, you can easily update your YouTube channel art on PC, giving your channel a fresh and updated look that attracts and engages your viewers.